Hi guys, it's Josh. Today we're going to talk about the Network XDR feature in Cato, and we're going to deal with a link down issue. So let's get into it. So when you log into the Cato management application, you can see, hey, here's the actual stories dashboard under detection and response. There's a number of security stories, which we'll do other videos on. Today I'm talking about there's a link down, or I have a highly available status not ready on a socket, which are the physical actual appliances we have to connect to the cloud. You can use SDP clients, which is our software defined perimeter. You can use a physical socket, a number of different ways. In this case, there's a link down at one of my sites, so I want to research that. So what do we see on the stories dashboard? I can see the amount of incidents. I can see I have HA status not ready on appliance and link is down. So for network teams, this is very powerful because we're automatically reporting on all your WAN appliances in a single place. So we can then look and see, all right, I'm curious about this link down. What's going on with that? Let me go and start to see, what does that look like? So now I open up that actual story inside of the Network XDR, and I can see the story type is link is down. It's created February 26th. And now status is updated to monitoring at 12:55. So we're looking at it. There's been a change. So let's look and see what that change is. So now I can go down and I can see one of the links is disconnected from the Cato cloud. All right, interesting. It's an X1500 at Josh's HQ. First signal, creation date, last updated at 12:55. So let's get some more detail. What's going on here? What I really like about this is here's the actual site status sockets. So here's my actual socket here. So all the green is up and connected now for my primary and secondary, which is fantastic. So now I can go in and start to see this detail right inside Network XDR. So if I click on each of these, it's going to change. So I've got, the ability to look inside. Oh, Comcast is up and CenturyLink. That's great. So now I'm back up and running. I wonder what happened. So here's the detail. So 26th, 27th, when active link is reestablished connection. And then you can see here, right here on the March 4th, 12:55, secondary socket reestablished connection. So we're seeing that someone has fixed this, worked on it. We've reestablished connection. So we're automatically updating the status of the Network XDR story based on the changes. I went in and changed the cabling, moved a switch around, and now we're automatically updating this to monitoring. And then over time, this will go into a complete state. And the final thing I'll show here is that in our docs, you can find the network story indicators. So it's going to say, or it's going to show you when those link sites are down, when LAN monitoring is issues, when there's SLA issues. Those are all going to be reported under those network stories under the XDR umbrella. Super powerful stuff to be able to manage your sites and the status of those sites right from a single web UI. Thanks, guys. Hope this is helpful.